Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we have enrolled one user through the user driven method. We had enrolled one Windows 10 machine. This is the machine that we enrolled the last time, and now I am going to show you how you are going to confirm if that device is properly enrolled or not. You can see when you go to the Intune portal or the endpoint.microsoft.com or the intune.microsoft.com, any of the portal. If you go, and you will see that machine is right here in the Intune devices, and when you click on the Windows, and you will see the machine, your machine will be right there. Okay, so when you click on here, you can see the all the device, your device, who enrolled, who is the primary user, and serial number and the ownership and all this virtual machine. My machine, testing machine, was a virtual machine. So you can see all this information, and the left hand side you will see the hardware configuration of that machines, everything. So you can see from this page, and what are the applications has installed or we have installed through the Intune, that those applications you will see in the managed app. So here you can see all these applications that we have installed. We have only pushed Windows Office 365 apps, so there is only one app. And then all the configuration profile that we have pushed, those configuration profile you will see in the device configuration page. So these are the policies we have pushed, and these are the few policies that I've created, and you can troubleshoot. So basically going on to this machine and clicking on that, and you will see this is not applicable because of my machine is not physical machine, it's a virtual machine, so most of the things is not applicable. That's the reason it's not applicable. Okay, I'm going to next machine. I will use a proper machine, proper hardware physical machine, so we will have everything in a green color. But right now, just to showcase you the whole onboarding process, what the end user will see on the screen, that's the reason I'm using virtual machine. But the next videos, when I'm doing all this configuration or app deployment configuration changes, that we will perform on a physical machine, on my Dell machine. So yeah, so when you click on this machine, and you also see the device discovery apps, in this you will see what are the applications is installed on the machine. It will scan the whole machine, and it will show you what are the application has installed. If you enable the BitLocker on this device, then you will see the BitLocker key right here mentioned, but we have not, as of now we have not enabled, and this is the virtual machine again. So again, we have not done any such a configuration, but I will show you that on my physical hardware machine. And yeah, that time I will show you. Now I want to show you another way how you can confirm if this device is properly enrolled or not. So you can, this is my virtual machine, by the way. Okay, this is the machine that we had enrolled last time in the last video, and I'm going to show you how you can check this. You can go to the settings, and then go to the accounts, and click work or school account, and then you will see here the enrolled username, and it's connected to how it works Azure AD. But even if you register that even you registered your machine, then also it's going to show you such a way. Okay, so if you see this info button, then your machine is completely registered, okay, properly registered. If you don't see the info button, then this machine is not enrolled into the Intune, it's only registered with the Azure AD. Okay, so this is a difference. Okay, when you register any device with Azure AD, you cannot push any application, you do not have any authorization on that device, you cannot reboot, reset, or any kind of configuration, any kind of policy you cannot apply if that device is only registered with Azure AD. But if you enroll, and when you see this info button, it's properly enrolled with the Intune. Okay, this is the main thing. When you click on the info button, then you will see what are the policies is applied on that device, and then their button is here, the sync. So you can sync that manually, you can sync this device with your Intune tenant. Okay, then there is another way. You can go to the event viewer. Also you can see that information by going into the applications. Click on this application and service log. It will take some time. Okay, and then go to the Microsoft. Let's expand this, then go to Windows, and then go to the device management. It's a big thing. Okay, the device management enterprise diagnostics provider. Okay, click on this, go to the admin, and here you will see all the logs that is happening during the enrollment, and whatever is happening with your device with the Intune, that all these logs you will see here. So you can, if you want to go and check what are the policies apply you have pushed, or any configuration you have pushed, what is happening with that, if it is not deploying properly, or any app is not installing. So you can, for the troubleshooting, you can use this method. And there is another way also. I'll tell you another way. You can go to the CMD, and then there is a command. ds reg cmd space / status. Yep. And yeah, this is a kind of complicated. See, as you already joined, yes, so this device is registered and joined with the Intune, and then you can see which tenant it is connected as of now, right now. So this kind of information also useful if you are troubleshooting, that time. So yeah, through this also you can confirm this device is properly enrolled with Azure AD, your tenant. Okay, so this is the way you can enroll this device. And another thing I'm going to show you, let me open this page. So now this device is already enrolled, and we have created the auto registration process for enrollment autopilot. Okay, so device registration we have done. That to check that, you click on the devices, go to the Windows, and then click on the Windows enrollment, and then check on the device, click on the device, and you'll see this device is already enrolled. The virtual machine is already enrolled for autopilot. Okay, in the previous video this device was not listed here because we have not registered that device. Now any device you enroll in this Intune tenant is automatically going to register for the autopilot. Why? And we have because we have created such a policy that all target devices will go for the auto enrollment. Okay, it will register for the auto enrollment. So you can see this policy, convert all target devices to autopilot. I clicked yes, and this I have applied to all devices. So any device you registered manually, enroll device manually, all these devices automatically going to enroll to autopilot. Now what will happen, the next time when you start this or you reset this device, it will go for the autopilot. It will detect automatically this device belongs to a specific tenant, and it will start the enrollment process. Okay, so I'm going to showcase I'm going to showcase this right now, but you will see that in the next video because it's going to take some time. And what I'm going to do, I'll show you the one easy way to reset the, and next video I'm going to explain you the different methods to reset the device. But right now for this demo I'm going with the fresh start. So fresh start is basically it will start it will remove all the settings and everything. It will remove the device from the Intune. Intune means this device. Okay, device will not remove from the autopilot registration process. Okay, device will only remove from these devices. Okay, so I'm going to start with a fresh start, and there is another autopilot reset and all this, then wipe is there. Okay, retire is there, but these are the different methods to take down offboarding the device. But right now for this demo I'm going with the fresh start. So I'm just clicking the fresh start, and written device user, I don't want anything, so I'm just clicking yes. And this is the device. Okay, so I'm on the same device where I'm doing this. So basically I'm going to log out from this device. Okay, so you will see this, it will happen very quickly. I'll just show you what is going to happen. On the same page, on your YouTube page, there is a subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. Meanwhile, this machine gets rebooted. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, that's all. And we are just waiting for that process kickstart and this device go for the reset. Okay, see, its device is restarted, and yeah, so it will reset the machine completely. Please wait, and all these things will happen. It will completely format the device, and it will take you on the same page where we started. If you know, in the last video when we you will see that keyboard registration, keyboard layout checking, and all that, connect to Wi-Fi. On the same screen you will land after this reset is complete. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video here, and see you in the next video where I will show you the autopilot process for this. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks, bye bye.